好，今天我们一起来学一下有点和一点。Hi everyone, today let's learn 有点 and 一点。有点 and 一点 they all mean a little bit, but they use in different structures. And they express different emotions. 有点 plus adjective. 有点加形容词。It's used for you are not satisfied for something or you are complain for something. For example, 我觉得这里有点热。我觉得 here means I feel. 觉得 feel. 这里 is here. 有点热 means a little bit hot. 热 means hot, temperature hot. 介意 means mind. 开窗 means open the window. 开 means open. 窗 means window. So, 你介意我开窗吗？ It means do you mind me open the window? Second example, 这个菜有点辣。这个菜 means this dish. 个 is the measure word for dish. 有点 a little bit. 辣 spicy. 我不能吃辣的。不能 can't. 吃 eat. 辣的 means 辣的东西 spicy food. 否则我的脸上会发痘痘。否则 means otherwise. 我的脸上 my face. 会 means well. 发痘痘 发 is a verb. Here means grow. 痘痘 means spots. Let's have a look 一点。一点 the structure is adjective plus 一点. It means a little bit, but it's used for your request. Maybe you also notice I say 一点 not 一点儿 because in southern part of China, we don't use R. R normally used in northern part of China. They have R accent. Okay, let's see some examples. 这双鞋有点小。这双鞋 it means this pair of shoes. 双 is the measure word for shoes. Means pair of. 有点 a little bit. 小 small. So it means you complain, you are not satisfied. So then you say 有大一点的吗？有 here means do you have. 大一点 means a little bit bigger. Shoes. So here 大一点 is your request. 的鞋子吗？ Here they omit 鞋子 because they don't want to repeat it again. So just say 有大一点的吗？ Let's see second example. 这件衣服有点贵。这件衣服 means this clothes. 件 is the measure word for clothes. 有点贵。贵 means expensive. So a little bit expensive. It means you are not satisfied for the price. 可以便宜一点吗？可以 blah 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 吗 It means can you. 便宜 means cheap. 一点 means a little bit. So can you cheap a little bit? So it means your request. 老板 here means shop owner, the male shop owner. 我要一个鸡蛋煎饼。要 means want or order something. 一个 one. 鸡蛋 means egg. 煎饼 means pancake. Here is the Chinese style pancake. Normally we eat it for the breakfast. And it's very delicious. 多加一点辣椒。多 means many. 加 is add something. 一点儿 here means a little bit. 辣椒 means chili. Or you can say 我要辣一点儿。我要 means want. 辣 spicy. 辣一点 means your request. It means you want to put more chilies on your egg pancakes. Hope this video can help you. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and click like to support me. More videos will upcoming. There are online Mandarin classes available if you would like to join. Feel free to contact me. 谢谢。